Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about Crypto.com Crocoin because we are making some nice moves to the upside. I want to take a look over at Bitcoin because we're still trading at a very, very nice level. Without further ado, where can we be headed? Let's hop into this video. So guys, right now Bitcoin is trading at $34,963.55, down about 0.32%. Bitcoin dominance level coming down with it, trading at 51.49%. When you exclude stablecoins, we're trading at about 53.5%. This is an important level to be focusing on, guys, right now because the liquidity is moving out of Bitcoin and it's going into altcoins. You guys, XRP up about 9% on the day, trading at over 70 cents, which is pretty incredible to see. Solana trading sideways, $40. It's cooling off. I'm okay with that. But guys, Crocoin, my Crow fam, smash the like button for this because this is pretty exciting. Guys, we have broken 7.5 cents today. Very incredible stuff. Very, very incredible stuff. This daily candle, we are up about 10%. 10% on the day. We're kind of coming down a little bit right now, trading at about 0.0742 cents, but still about 8% on the day right now. Very, very nice, guys. Very, very nice. Smash that like button, Crow fam. But right now, trading above 7 cents. More importantly, 0.0689 cents. This big blue line right here, we want to see these daily candle closes above it. Right now, Bitcoin dominance coming down. It's exactly as to be expected, guys. Bitcoin made its large move up. Bitcoin dominance shot up. Now it's coming down. The liquidity is moving into the altcoins. Crocoin is above 0.0689 cents. I've been saying on Twitter, guys, you can follow me at 333 Blacksea. I've been saying day in and day out, pay attention to that 0.0689 cent level. If we can break above it, we're going to 7 cents. And what do you know? We have a breakout. Now we broke even above 7.5 cents. Guys, as long as we stay above this 0.0689 cent level, I think that we're going to have a very, very nice bullish continuation. I think maybe we could even get to 8 cents, maybe even 10 cents. Do I dare say that? Getting all the way up to say about 10 cents before the halving? It's possible. It's possible. As long as Bitcoin decides to stay above 32,700, more importantly right now, I think you might see a little shakeout if we were to come down to 32,700. You might see some altcoins do a quick little drop, but it would be temporary. I do think that as long as we stay above about 34,500 and stay in the $35,000 price range, we trade sideways. We see this Bitcoin dominance level trade to the downside. You're going to see this liquidity move into these altcoins, guys. And Bitcoin is going to say trade sideways, and Crocoin is going to make its way up to 10 cents. I think that's very, very likely. But like I said, this is still the year of accumulation, guys. I want to make sure that you guys don't get eaten up by the FOMO because this is still the year of accumulation. There's still sideways price action. There's still chop. I think there is a possibility, even though right now this does look very, very, very nice right here. This candle, this weekly candle on Bitcoin, testing 32,700. Man, that looks really good. A breakout, retest, and a resumption. If we can get some more green candles above this, some weekly candles above 35,000, if we can get a green candle at like $36,000 on the weekly term time frame, that'd be very, very, very bullish in my mind, especially with how close we are getting to this halving event. But I do want to say why I was saying this is still the year of accumulation. We could come up here, get to about not 60,000. I think that's a little bit too aggressive. I mean, there's lots of people calling for 55K Bitcoin in like a Santa Claus rally before we reach the halving. But I think that something more realistic would be to come up to maybe say 40,000, maybe 45,000. If we do reach this 45,000 price level, I think there's a very high likelihood that we have another capitulation event down before the halving, before we can be off to the races. But that being said, be careful. Be careful you don't FOMO in. Right now, you may ask, is now the time to be buying altcoins? I am getting some green lights. I definitely am getting some green lights. I mean, honestly, buying some altcoins last week for some scalping and for some trading is probably a good idea. Was probably a good idea. But am I going to be layering in significantly into altcoins right now? No, I'm not. Am I going to start my positions in altcoins right now? Yes. I am looking at some altcoins that have not 2x'd already that I'm scoping out, getting ready to layer into. Am I going to buy more Crow? Probably not. I have a very, very significant bag of Crow that I've been holding for a long time. But I am starting to look at some other altcoins. I am even looking at some meme coins. I know that's ridiculous, but right now I think it's a decent time to start looking at positions like that. And I am prepared for these positions that I layer into to get cut in half before the halving. I am prepared for that and get cut in half before the next bull market peak. I am prepared for that. However, that's why I'm not layering in significantly just yet, but I am starting to scope out my positions on altcoins. This is my first green light. I mean, this is very bullish price action. And we're getting closer and closer to the halving, guys. We're getting very close to it. And the closer we get to that, there's going to be more talk about this space. There's going to be more talk about Bitcoin. There's going to be more talk about crypto in the mainstream media. You're already seeing all these crazy hype articles coming out about these Bitcoin spot ETFs. I mean, it's pretty comical, though, that it seems like every day we're hearing, any minute now it will be approved. Any minute now the Bitcoin spot ETF will be approved. I feel like I hear that every single day. Like, it's going to be tomorrow. It's going to be tomorrow. But time will tell, guys. Time will tell when we really get an approval. And the question is, will we go to the moon? Will we just launch? Will the bull market start from that? We'll have to see. Or will it be a sell the news event? I'm not quite sold on either of them just yet. I'm not quite sold on the idea that it's going to be a sell the news event, and I'm not quite sold on the idea that we're going to just go straight to the moon after it gets approved. I think there's been a lot of front running here. I mean, this entire move, guys, it started from a fake post on Twitter about the BlackRock spot ETF, Bitcoin spot ETF, being approved. It was a fake tweet from a large crypto news media outlet. It's incredible that this move started with that. People are ready for it. People are ready. And I think a lot of people realize that with just that fake news article, we had that move to the upside. And I think a lot of people kind of stepped back and realized, wait a second. All it's going to take is that announcement for the approval to come out for us to launch to the upside. Man, I can't miss out on that. And you know what this is right here, guys? That's some FOMO. But I will also say, I've been thinking about each and every direction and possibilities of and outcomes that we could be having here. And one of these things I can't stop thinking about is that we're in disbelief. That this is a disbelief stage. Because I'm seeing so many people talk about we need to come down. We need to come down. Oh, it's the top. It's the local top. It's the local top. Oh, man. Did you see that The Simpsons came out with an episode where Homer minted his son as an NFT? Oh, it's the top. It's the top. It's the top. I think there's a lot of disbelief. I think a lot of people miss this move, to be honest. And I think a lot of people think that we have a lot more time left in this bear market, and I think that sounds like disbelief to me. But I think I'm almost leaning more towards that than the idea that we need to come down significantly. But I do still think that there needs to be another capitulation. Maybe we come down, maybe we get up to 45,000, then we come and test 35K. You know, from here that doesn't seem that rough, but it probably will be. If we get to the 45K and we come down, people probably will be panicking pretty hard. But I think we do need a little bit more chop. I think we need to come down to earth after we make a big move to the upside. I think Bitcoin dominance needs to absorb more liquidity again. Right now we're cooling off. It's coming down. We're getting a little bit of an altcoin rally. It's not really a season, I wouldn't say. Altcoin season is like when you see Solana do a 10x in a month, or you see Cardano go from 30 cents to $3 in a month, something significant like that. But we are definitely getting blessed with an altcoin rally right now. But this is no altcoin season just yet. Not yet. Don't FOMO in too hard, guys, but there's definitely opportunities out there. If there's some coins that you can't live without this next bull market and you're confident and you've got high conviction, maybe right now is a good time to start looking at them. Maybe right now is a good time to start layering in. Maybe we're going to be starting to get off to the races here in the next 200 days or so. We have about 160 days, 155 days until the Bitcoin halving. A lot will probably happen around that time. Maybe it doesn't happen right at it. Maybe it happens a month or two before it, like right here, hitting 45,000. Pretty possible in my mind, not going to lie. It seems pretty probable. Or maybe we just sideways chop, come back down to earth here, trade sideways, and then 2 months after the halving, we finally get our bull market rally. Time will tell, guys. Time will tell. It's a very, very interesting landscape we're in right now, macroeconomically speaking. Bitcoin's becoming the safe haven asset once again, protecting yourself against inflation. Very intriguing stuff, guys. If you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. If you are a CrowCoin investor, pat yourself on the back right now because we are looking pretty nice. Broke above 7.5 cents today, guys. Very, very cool. Also, go follow me on Twitter at 333Blacksea. I'm very, very active over there. Like talking to you guys, asking you questions, kind of getting the lay of the land of the crypto space and from your guys' angle. I love knowing what you guys think about it. And also, please consider becoming a member on the channel. Go below this video or to our homepage. Click the join button. You get access to our private Discord where we have NFT alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I, as well as when we reach 100 members on the channel, we are going to be giving away $500 worth of Bitcoin to a different member every single month leading up to the halving. Love giving back to you guys. That's all I got for you. Thank you so much for watching.